Hi, my name is Nisha Tandon and I am the Chief Executive of Art Sector and also the Artistic Director for Belfast Mela. And this year, Belfast Mela is going to be Mela at home, and that is going to be virtual. So for that reason, we are bringing you this beautiful cookery demonstration from absolutely beautiful surrounding of tropical ravine in Botanic Gardens, and thank you to Belfast City Council for allowing us to come and do some filming here today. It's a beautiful environment and atmosphere here. So today I am going to do a very simple Indian summer drink called Mango Lassi. Now, a lot of people pronounce it lassi or lassi, but it is basically lassi, okay? So Lassi. You can have it in a sweet form, or you can have it a little bit chili and salty as well. But the today one, which I'm going to do in front of you, is the sweet lassi. And to make your sweet lassi, obviously it is mango, and you will need mangoes, which is very, very important. So you can either buy the fresh mango, or you can buy the syrup one, and that has already got the sugar and syrup in it. So mango slices in syrup. So you can buy them in any supermarket shelf. And obviously mango is our traditional fruit of India, and also it is found in many other parts of the world, but it is our staple fruit. Mango trees are grown in every sort of household, and mango and guava actually as well, and lychees. These are the three main fruit which you will find in people's back gardens. And I remember in my childhood when everybody would have been sleeping in this, having a little nap during the daytime, we would sneak out to go and do some mango hunting. Like here we go strawberry picking, but we used to go mango hunting. And mango hunting, you have to really climb the trees and get your good mangoes down. So anyway, so there, mango is going to be, I'm not using the fresh, I'm just going to garnish it with it. So I'm going to be using my tinned mango slices in syrup. And to make that, you will need natural yogurt. It can be the Greek yogurt or ordinary natural yogurt. And obviously, if you haven't got food processor, you can just use an ordinary bowl and a whisker, hand whisker, to make this fantastic, very, very refreshing drink. So I have here 1 carton which is approximately 200 grams of yogurt, natural yogurt, and obviously you will need milk for it as well. So we are just going to add maybe about half a cup of milk in there. Little bit of sugar, because this mango which I'm using has already got syrup in it, so it is not essential that we need to. And if you really don't want to use the sugar, you can also use honey in it. So here we are, just sort of adding a teaspoonful of sugar. Cardamom plays a very important role in Indian cooking. I'm using the green powdered cardamom. Cardamom is a very good mouth freshener, plus it gives you fantastic flavors in your dish, and also it is very good for your digestive system as well. So you can use the green, it has to be green cardamoms. You can buy the powdered or the whole stuff. They're quite expensive, but it is worth having them in the house for your exotic cookery. So here we have half a teaspoonful of cardamoms, and I'm just going to add few cubes of ice. So here we have the whole tin of mangoes. We are just going to add with the syrup. It's important that you add the syrup because remember we are making the sweet lassi. So for that syrup should not be wasted in any shape or form. So we add all that in it. And that's it. And what we do is we just whisk it till it's absolutely frothy. Basically ready. It will look like a mango shake, but it is done with natural yogurt and it has got very healthy properties in it except the sugar. But as I said to you, if you don't want the sugar, you can use honey in it, and it will do the same job. It is quite thick, and that's the way you want it to be, really thick. If you don't like it that thick, then you can maybe add a little bit of more milk or water if you don't want to use milk as your if you're on a vegan diet or any other diets. If you don't want to use milk, you can just use water. I have here fresh mint from my own garden. I'm just going to take 2 slices, chop it, and just going to garnish it with it on it, which can be eaten with the spoon. Mango. There's a technique of cutting the mango like avocado. You just sort of go right around and then turn, but I don't want to use the whole mango, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the skin of it. And now there's mangoes can be from different varieties. This has just been bought from the ordinary supermarket shelf, and it is I think it's African mango, this one. But you can buy the Indian Alfonso mango, which is the most sweetest mango you can purchase in the shops. Now again, that is, I think, basically just available in the specialized shops. It won't be available in ordinary supermarkets. So it's worth taking a trip up to ordinary specialized shop in Belfast or anywhere you live to get a proper fantastic, lovely tasting Alfonso mangoes. Okay, so there you have the fresh mango as well, and you can add that, the bites into it, so that you can eat it with the spoon if you want to. Okay, so that's the mango lassi ready. You can use straw to have it, or you can just drink it just like that there and spoon the rest of your ingredients. So here we have mango lassi, sweet mango lassi, and it is a very traditional summer drink in India. So thank you for watching this very quick instant cookery demonstration by me, and virtual Mela at home. I hope you all enjoy it. It's a new experience for us as well, but next year we will see you in Botanic Gardens full flesh and enjoying the dance, the music and the diversity of this beautiful Belfast city and beyond. Thank you very much. Take care.